Hi, my name is Olabisi, and this is my 16th exercise. This is my add to do activity, my edit to do activity, and my to do activity. And this is my main activity, and my user home activity. And these are my design, my text, design, text, text, and design. Oh shit. Yeah, and and these are the strings I used for the purpose of this program, and I'm going to run the program now. And this is my database, and I have 3 documents stored in there. So these are the 3 documents I have saved there, and I can click on this to display the document with a category 0, and I can click on this to display documents with the category 1. And also I can add a document by clicking on this add button. So I say I want to add title, temp, or something, and the content is and add a new to do. As you can see, it's been added, and it's been added in database too. And also I can also let me say I wanted to edit something there, like let's say Y again, and I changed my mind, so cancel. It goes back and doesn't do anything. And I'm going to delete this to do. It's been deleted, and it's been deleted from the database too. So that's pretty much what we did in class. And from now on, I'm going to be talking about what I added to this program. I added this cat2, which displays the document with category 2. And I also added display all, which displays everything, since we have just 3 documents. And thank you for watching.